At a recent unfortunate incident at the Public Health Centre of the Department of Health and Family Welfare, situated at Dangar in East Kharsail's border area, a 28-year-old mother lost her life after the delivery of her third issue at the centre. The MLA of Mawsynram constituency, HIMA SHANGPLIANG, who had visited the PHC for a detailed inquiry into the incident, met the doctor on duty during the delivery and demanded an explanation from the latter on the recent death of the young mother who had delivered her third child in the ward and not in the operation theatre where the delivery is supposed to happen.
Baby is fine.
Baby is fine.
Okay.
As per,
Now, see, this mother gave a normal birth. Am I right?
yes,
It's a normal birth,
it's a normal.
not a cesarean.
No.
Okay. When the mother gave a normal birth, then what took you so long to do the necessity things? Is it true that the attending medical facilities were not available at the right time?
It's not, sir. But at the PHC level, we can compare with higher setups like.
No, my question is this: why did that woman deliver in her bed and not in your OT? I'm told that repeated calls were made to come and see her when she already developed labor pain. When she started getting labor pain, then apparently the relatives attending to her had gone and called the nurse, had gone and called the doctor, and they said that the nurse and the doctor took long to come. In the process, the labor pain was so severe that this woman, she delivered the baby, in her bed, not in your OT. Now give us that explanation. If you say you are on duty, why didn't you shift that woman immediately to the OT?
So at 5:30 we have checked, and when we check it, the OS was fully dilated, and I've advised to shift the patient to the OT. And myself, in the file also I have written, and while arranging, like OT is already arranged, but so some like sections, some ghost bees, we're trying to get it from the PHC. They are outside the rooms. So at that time, in the meantime, the patient is already fully dilated, and like we don't, in fact, we don't know that what after full dilate, it might take 5 minutes, it might take 30 minutes. So at that time, the patients were delivered in the bed only.
While informing the media about the incident, the MLA of Mawsynram, HIMA SHANGPLIANG, stated that the incident is indeed very unfortunate and commented on the carelessness of the medical staff at the PHC who had denied care to the late patient when it was urgently required. SHANGPLIANG also stated that a meeting would be convened on the 7th of June 2021 where the DHS and Chief Secretary of the Health Department, members of the Women's Empowerment Commission and other government officials would be apprised of the incident that had taken place recently at the Dangar PHC and to demand an inquiry into the death of the young mother and also to bring the PHC under the direct charge of the government or to appoint another NGO instead of the current one to take charge of the centre.
Kata kapanpao kajing long careless nakaliang doktor nakaliang ke hospital ba kim shimla ban assess ya ka situation kim shimla ban assess ya kata ka emergency jom kan ngebriu te hadu banda poi bandu ke mesin ndrei ukhlung le ukhia hadu 100 kilo tam ndrei ka kemi kim shimla bakin pen ngasutu ba kaladon sisya kajing liat torti nakaliang ke hospital nakaliang u doktor bat ngasutu ba lada u doktor u lashim ya karai hakapor menmiet ban ong ban pha ya ka Shillong Shaki hospital ki babiang ki dawai dasin ki babiang ki jing ki tiar sumat te se ngimrat du ya kan ikmesim joka te kajing pangnot jong ka kemi jong ni kabriyo ka bayang jong ki bahyeng hasen jong ulok jong ki khon kalong adu patata ka bangim la ban moddo baka brio ka baklan Dangar pu prasnem kaba klan kamet papat andre kan sud kut na sim jongka tan balik khakun te kalong ke kaba le se inum la ban pediam nakaliang jonga kum unong mi khmat kum emele nganra ya kani sha ka sarkar bat ha ka sinung kom ngelakot yu DHS ngelakot ya principal secretary jongka health department ba ngan bisyar ya kani ka kam lengba ka women empowerment committee ka women empowerment committee ngin ya syong ha ka sinung kom ha ka porkhat arbaji bat ha kata ngan day bangan bisyar ya kani ka kam bat ngan pak tokit ha ka department jongka health baka day ban tokit ke ka daw baka ni kajia hang ni po Dangar ba amde ka sin ka banangkon ha kani ka hospital Dangar nado baka simti kani ka biham kadi ka NGO baka peniat ya kani ladon bon kum kini kikis baki yap ki kelung ki yap ki kemi ibawan ban khakun hang ni ngadawana ka sarkar baka di ban weng ya kani ka NGO nang ni bat badai ban wara da ko NGO lane ka sarkar ka di ban simti no ya kani ka PHC bakan peniat ki naka health department daladi kata kalong ka jing dawana ka jonga dawan mungkong kadi ban don ka Enquiry akan ukadur baka ni kabriyo ka yap dawa ka baar baka sarkar ka di banweng ya kani ka NGO na kani ka hospital na Dangar bat badi banwara no da ka government hi bakan peniak ya kani ka hospital ada kamla ban peniak ka government daladi ya kani hospital ka di banwara da ka wi ka NGO bak hamla ban ai ka jing sakri ya ki pai ba kani ka tanjungi ha border